Hello everyone, I am Alpha TKG Takagi. Well, we conducted Alpha TKG Seminar on April 21st this week. This was jointly organized with Nikkan Kogyo newspaper, the major industry newspaper company in Japan. The topic of the seminar is the winning strategy for the precision sheet metal industry. The full seminar is 3-hour panel discussion. Panel discussion on success stories of participating industries. Discussions based on successful examples of DX automation, they adopt. Amazingly, there are 28 panelists. They are seen in the video. The hall is full with 150 participants. In the panel discussion, myself and Momoko Koyama of the Yuasa Trading Group were doing the MC of session.
I would like to introduce the panelists here. The key panelists are 3. Mr. Tomoki Shimizu, a young bureaucrat and head of the Defense Equipment Department of the Ministry of Defense. Next, I would like to introduce Mr. Hamayasu Mamoru, who is the Executive Director and Head of Sales at Yuasa Trading Company. Next, we have Mr. Naoki Shimada, Executive Officer and Executive General Manager of Robot Sales at the Robot Division, from Fanuc Corporation, a global robot and machine manufacturer.
Then 25 CEOs of Japan's leading precision metals companies. They represent the top sheet metal companies here in Japan, and they were going to discuss success cases they practice in their industries.
The sheet metal industry from Osaka Prefecture, Representative Director of Iwasaki Company. Mr. Yosuke Takahata, President and Representative Director of the Zen Group.
Now, the biggest mountain is DX. We're talking about verification of current automation process. In fact, collaborative robots are a very important solution for precision sheet metal industry. This important solution was presented by the guest speaker from the Fanuc Corporation. Now we will watch how the CRX cobot is used in the industries for laser welding. Laser welding using this CRX is a Robot DX solution. Our Robot DX series products, first welding. The name of the product is Alpha Julia, and we introduced in 2024 last year.
I think it's very useful. It is easy to understand, and you can operate it intuitively.
I thought you said about time saving, but depending on the work, it can be 3 times, 4 times, and for some parts, it is 10 times.
I really appreciate the fact that people whom I thought can't do it are using this now in our factory, and it is used every day.
I am so pleased to listen success and good cases from the users. I see other than the robot, its usage. With the Alpha Julia DX, the total systems is made so simple for the shop floor usage. I appreciate so much for this success.
We also had discussions about the future and current status of success stories from the panelists on their DX, the software usage.
We have seen the new technologies are rightly integrated in the software, and we use this cloud-based system for our benefits.
Yes. At first, we started with Alpha Doc, and then we used Alpha ERP. We also used the Gaia Process Navi in the factory production management with full visibility and tracking. We also use 3D data much. This factory has full visibility system. Which worker and what work he is involved in are automatically tracked. We can see the all information of the production status is in the cloud, and it helps further to have improved production. They have many camera system to watch and guide the production. We are now using AI technologies to analyze the video and the images.
Yes, my aim is how far we can motivate each person and operator in our factory and thereby get him more involved in the production improvement.
In Mori Seiko, there are many kiosk terminals kept in the factory. They can see drawing, 3D products, and all production information. They have also installed large monitors to monitor the progress in all the processes. They also hang iPad on the machines to see the drawings and keep monitors in all process units. Mr. Mori, the present installed inspection systems in all major process units for quality verification and improvement. All inspection processes are linked with the Process Navi software and thereby with their production management system.
The inspection is still mainly done based on drawings. But looking at the recent trends, we see the scope for the image processing-based solutions. I think this image-based inspection system will become the standard. I want to gradually switch to a system that incorporates image processing, including robots.
One of the new products is Alpha Lily. Alpha Lily is the product name. Lily is the next generation robot series solution after Alpha Julia. This is an inspection robot and DX solution integrated with Alpha system. From now, I will present on new DX products.
AIP, AIO.
AIP is all in proposal. And then the next is AI. Oh, this is the all-in-one.
After hearing from the seminar, I realized much on the DX. DX is not just about improving productivity, it's also about making employees happy, make them smile. Thank you all,
Thank
panelists.
you very much for attending.